In today's video, I'll show you how you'd be able to use Excalidraw to make flowcharts. So let's get started. So here we are in Excalidraw, and from here, the first thing that we're going to do is that we are going to create a shape because these are basically the core of flowcharts. So in here, I have now created the shape right here, which is a diamond shape based here on the toolbar. So this is where you can get the shape from. And in here is that we can now adjust the properties of the shape by navigating here on the left menu, wherein we can change the stroke and then the background color, however we'd want, and then also the feel, and then we have the stroke width, the stroke style, the sloppiness, and the edges, and many more right here, depending on the changes that you would want or the property that you would want to be included into your shape. So let's say I'm satisfied with this. And from here, you can now add some text inside it by double clicking. And then from here, I can say, let's say shape number 1, something like that. And then I can highlight the text right here. I can go for the font size here on the left side. As I highlight the text, I can make it XL. And as you can see, it's now bigger. And I could also change the color if needed. Now, we're going to create another shape because this is a flowchart. So there should be another shape that would connect to this shape. So I have now created a circle using this tool right here. So I have now done it right here. And basically, you can just go click here. And then you could go for control. And then you could go for the arrow keys on your keyboard. And then you can choose either you would want it to go down on the left side, right side, or up. So in my case, I just want it on the right. So I'm gonna go and let go of the key that I was pressing on the keyboard, which is the control button. And from here, I now have it right here. It's actually already a flowchart. And then from here, I can just drag this and then the arrow would follow and adjust. And if you'd want it to be a different shape, let's say this one, you can just go and delete that, and then you could connect it right here, and then you can select the arrow and connect it to the shape. And as you can see, it is now connected to this shape instead of the diamond shape. So that is if you would want a different shape than the base shape right here. And once again, I can now change the stroke and the color right there, and then you can go for the fill, the stroke width, and then the stroke style, and many more. So I'll just stick with red and then put in some text. So let's say shape number 2, and then you can do basically the same thing. So you can go as long as you'd want right here. So you just select the shape, hold on the control button on your keyboard, and then press the arrow keys depending on where you would want the next shape to be. Let's say right here on the down right there, and then I can press here again if you'd want another shape connected to this shape right here. So now I have both on the right side and the down side. And now again, you can change the properties and right here and even change the shape. Let's say I don't want the shape, I would want it to be square this time. So I'm going to select this square shape and then make one right here, drag it, and then right here, connect the arrow into it. Right here, select the arrow, connect it right there. And it should now be all good. And yeah, that is basically it. All that's left now is the text. So let's say I'm going to say shape number 3. And this one is shape number 4. And yeah, here we have it. We now have our simple flowchart right here created in Excalidraw. And this is basically how you'd be able to do this. You can do as long as you'd want. So yeah, this is basically it for this video. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one.